Okay, we do know now that Allu Arjun has sought interim bail from the Telangana High Court, and that's what we're waiting on right now. Allu Arjun has also said that we can report to you now. Allu Arjun's first comments post this arrest, he says, the arrest is just for sensationalism. The arrest is a travesty of my liberty. Will continue cooperation in the probe. Via his lawyers, Allu Arjun putting out his first words following his dramatic arrest earlier today. He says that the arrest is a travesty of my liberty. Will continue cooperation in the probe. The arrest is just for sensationalism. So this is clearly escalating. It's a very hard-worded, statement that's just come out, Akshita. He says, travesty of my liberty. We've also heard some comments before this about how Allu Arjun was apparently not very happy about how the police sort of barged into his bedroom, etc. All of this making it seem pretty ill-tempered, Akshita.
Very true, Shiv. You know, he said it very politely, but he said, "Meer na bedroom baita untaru," meaning essentially he's saying you're waiting outside my bedroom. That's what he was saying in his conversation with the cops. And he said, I agree, you're doing your duty, but the way you did it is wrong. And you look at what's happening right now in court also, Shiv. The argument is by Allu Arjun that I won't go away anywhere. There's no fear of me running away. But this arrest is just for sensationalism. Now the court has also pulled up the government, saying, why, on what grounds should I not grant bail? Why are you stopping interim bail in this particular case? Highlighting the fact that Allu Arjun has said, you know, I'm not a flight risk here. So to that, in fact, you've got the public prosecutor saying that, no, we can't give interim bail. And that's because they've referred to Section 105, culpable homicide again. It's coming back essentially to that constantly, that it's a non-bailable offence, which is why they can't give bail. But remember that even the quashing of FIR, despite the fact that a lower court has given its ordership, the quashing of FIR, the High Court has said, we are going to hear it. And there is particularly a case of Shah Rukh Khan's that's been referred to in the High Court. When Shah Rukh Khan was promoting Rais, there was a similar sort of stampede that broke out, and he was named as an accused, much like Allu Arjun. There, the court in Gujarat as well as the Supreme Court granted him relief. That's been cited by Allu Arjun to say, look, why would I be held back if previously, in a similar case, Shah Rukh Khan has been granted bail, and they've referred to a Supreme Court order to highlight that the High Court can very much quash this FIR. So it'll be very interesting to see if the High Court grants relief. If it doesn't, Shiv, it means this weekend Allu Arjun will be behind bars.